Hey guys, this is Sidra. Welcome to my YouTube channel Educate with Sidra. In this video, I will show you the dashboard on Power BI, and the dataset I use is for the Global Superstore. Right? So here is a look of the my dashboard. You can check this the dashboard the of the Global Superstore and having so many visual used in that. Right? Yes, this is our data set that is of a global superstore, and it has three files: orders, returns, and people. Right? In the order, we can see this thing. We have so many fields like row ID, order date, ship mode, customer ID, customer name, segment, postal code, city, state, country, region, market, product category, subcategory, product sales, quantity, profit, and order priority, right? In the returns file, we have the how many values are returned, the order ID, and the region. And in the people file, we have person and region. So this is all we have the data set of a global superstore, right? Yes, I have shown the data set of global superstore, right, on which I have done the data cleaning. In the data cleaning, I have done removing the duplicates and removing the null values and many other cleaning that is required for that, and I did the data processing and the modeling as well, right? Now come to the visualization area. You can see this thing. This is I have taken the cars that is showing the sum of sales, sum of quantities, average of delivery days, some of the return order, right? In the charts, you can see this thing. I've chosen the loss by product name and the profit by product name, so that you can see which products are giving you the profit and which products are giving you the loss, right? So that you can make the good decisions out of this, right? And in this chart, you can see this thing. I have represented the top 10 customers, so that for that customer you can give discounts as well, right? And the sum of sales by market and sum of sales by segment, and this is a map, right? And for the regions, sales by region, in which regions there are more sales, you can see this thing, right? If you want to see yearly wise, you see the data in 2012, what is the progress in the 2013, how the values are changing, what happened in the 2014 and what happened in the 2015, right? So you can see what decisions you have to take it out.